Let's boot in safe mode. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated guide, I'll show you how to restart Windows 10 in safe mode. Like these kinds of videos, we've got more related content on the channel. Subscribe, hit like, I'm always making helpful videos for you guys. Alright folks, let's get started. First, press the Windows and L keys on your keyboard. That's the Windows key plus the letter L. When this screen appears, press the Shift key on your keyboard. Hold Shift and left click on this screen. Still holding Shift, go down and click the power button. You'll see three options on the power button: sleep, shutdown, and restart. Click on the last option. Remember to keep your finger on the Shift key. Keep it pressed. Guys, the Shift key is this one here. Press and hold your finger down. Clicking Restart will show this message. Click Restart anyway here. Press and hold the Shift key. You'll see this screen. Now you can release the Shift key. That's fine. Choose this option. Troubleshooting, the second option. Press Enter. Select Advanced Options below. Use the keyboard arrow. Choose Advanced Options. Press Enter here. You'll see some options. Next, select the second option. Startup Settings. Press Enter. After restart, pick one option. Enable low-res video mode. Enable safe mode debugging. First, click here, Restart. Press Enter. It will restart. Now choose one of 9 options. Enable debugging. Enable boot logging. Low resolution video. It's what people usually use, which is enabling safe mode. If you want safe mode with internet, with networking, you choose option 5. So it's usually option 4 or 5. You'll choose one of these options. I'm pressing the 5 key on my keyboard. You can use number keys to choose, or function keys F1 to F9. You can pick one of these options. For more options, press F10 or Enter to return to the OS. But it's usually option 4 or 5. Safe mode or safe mode with networking. It'll reboot in safe mode with networking now. That's it, folks. Got it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. I'll wrap up here. Take care. God bless. Thanks.